Good morning, everyone. It's another dark, damp, and cool morning outside in Boston. Taking a look at our Earth cam right now of Boston. Can barely see the skyline as we have a lot of low clouds and fog and mist outside being reported. Temperatures are in the upper 50s again as you walk outside. And let's take a look at your weather headlines for today. And it does show again cloudy skies, cooler and damp weather will continue. We're going to see steadier showers arriving later on this afternoon into tonight as a cold front approaches. And as that front passes through, we'll see clearing skies overnight, giving us a nice dry, bright, and milder Friday with a dry westerly wind, temperatures in the middle to upper 70s. But then another front approaches on Saturday night, and low pressure looks to be riding up along that front and giving us a good chance of some steady rainfall on Sunday. Taking a look at your 7 a.m. morning temperatures as you walk outside, pretty much uniform throughout much of the state this morning, again in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And taking a look at your satellite and radar composite shows pretty much cloudy skies throughout a lot of southern New England, a few scattered showers being reported in western and central Mass, another area moving through Middlesex County right now. We'll take a closer look at that in Doppler radar in just a second. But first, I want you to take note of this precipitation over Pennsylvania. This is the cold front and the moisture that will be moving in later on this afternoon into the evening to give us some steadier rainfall. Closer look does show in Middlesex County, the showers are being reported in Billerica to Ayer to Westford, and then all the way out into western Massachusetts. Otherwise, it looks like cloudy skies and some mist is what you can expect as you step outside this morning in most areas. Futurecast does show cloudy skies and a few spotty showers, and then the steadier rainfall as the front approaches later on tonight. Maybe a few rumbles of thunder possible in some areas, and then that front pushes offshore, clearing skies for Friday during the day. And then as the day progresses on Saturday, we're going to start to see clouds to increase from the west, and a cold front is going to be pushing through. And this is going to be a cold front that's going to be bringing some drastically colder weather into much of the eastern third of the United States later on next week. Taking a look at the progression of that in the next few minutes, I'll show you. But first, today your weather map shows a lot of fog and drizzle and showers as a warm easterly moist easterly to northeasterly flow off the Atlantic keeps those clouds locked into our region. The warmer weather stays down to the south, and we are watching again that cold front much further west with a lot of colder air building from Canada. And as we take a look at the progression of that front, we will see that for later on this weekend, colder air is going to be pushing down as the jet dips down in the eastern third of the United States. Humid and moist weather keeps down to the southeast portions of the United States, while we're going to be watching a cold front move through Saturday night, and an area of low pressure looks to be developing alongside it, and it looks like we're going to have a good swath of rainfall developing for Sunday. And the cold front, as it does move through, is going to be pushing a lot of cold air down all the way down to northern Texas over the weekend, and then as it heads towards our region, it'll be moving through Saturday night, and it looks like our region will be some 5 to 10 degrees below normal next week, and our weather again looks to be colder than normal heading into early next week. So your daily planner for today, clouds to start with, some drizzle and fog, and then it looks like a few showers possible by midday, and then the steadier rainfall developing later on this evening with high temperatures in the middle 60s. Forecast for tonight is going to show those showers continuing, but they will be ending towards midnight, and then we'll see partial clearing skies towards morning. Winds will be shifting from the north to the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour, with the sunset earlier and earlier each day now at 6:19 p.m. Forecast for Friday is going to be showing partly to mostly sunny skies, warmer and less humid conditions. It looks to be much drier as well, with temperatures in the middle 70s. And then your 5-day forecast shows that we will be staying mild all the way through Friday and Saturday, but then Saturday clouds will start the day with some sunshine. Clouds do increase on Saturday night with showers developing Saturday night, and it looks like a good dose of rainfall on Sunday as that front approaches, and clearing out for Monday, turning much cooler with highs only in the 50s, and it looks like high temperatures will remain in the upper 50s to lower 60s as we head into later on next week. That's the latest from the BillericaWeather.com weather update. I'm Dave Bruce. Have a good day.